Stop scrolling if you are losing your hair every single day. Look at your comb right now. Is it filled with strands of hair that should be on your head? Well, this tiny $10 green bottle, the Mielle Rosemary Mint Hair Oil, is taking over the entire USA right now. TikTok and YouTube are flooded with girls claiming it grew their hair in just 2 weeks. But wait. Before you run to Target or Sephora to buy it, you need to hear the terrifying truth. If you don't use it the right way, this viral oil can actually do more harm than good. In fact, for some people, it caused massive hair loss instead of hair growth. So, why is everyone in America obsessed with this oil? The answer lies in its ingredients. Rosemary and mint. Scientific studies have shown that rosemary oil is just as powerful as minoxidil, which is a famous medical treatment for hair regrowth. When you apply this oil, the rosemary stimulates your hair follicles, waking up sleepy hair roots. At the same time, the peppermint oil creates a tingling sensation that boosts blood circulation to your scalp. More blood flow means more nutrients, which directly leads to thicker, stronger, and longer hair. Plus, it smells amazing, like a fresh spa day. But here is the catch. Because this oil is extremely potent, thousands of people are using it completely wrong and destroying their hair. First of all, rosemary oil is very heavy. If you have thin, fine hair, leaving this oil on your scalp overnight will clog your hair follicles. Clogged follicles cannot breathe, which suffocates the roots and causes your hair to fall out in clumps. Secondly, it contains essential oils that can irritate sensitive scalps, causing redness, itching, and dandruff if left unwashed for days. To get the best results without any hair fall, you must use it like a pro. Only apply a few drops directly to your scalp using the dropper. Massage it gently for 5 minutes using your fingertips. Never use your nails. Leave it on your scalp for a maximum of 2 to 3 hours. After that, wash it out completely with a clarifying shampoo. Do this only twice a week. Consistency is the secret key here. So, is a $10 hair oil actually worth the hype? Yes, it absolutely is. It is affordable, scientifically backed, and it works, but only if you respect its power and use it correctly. Have you tried the Mielle Rosemary oil yet? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more faceless beauty secrets. See you in the next video.